Sustainability service offering. What is it? What do we do? What are we about? So I'm Darren Peck. I'm the founder of Recravida, and I've been a consultant in the sustainability space for over a decade, working mainly in the corporate environment space, but also working with SMEs as part of Recravida, which we are nearly 3 years old now. So we deliver services across a plethora of specialisms, including sustainable design. We're the environment design leader at Babcock at Devonport, the largest Navy base in Western Europe. We also worked on green building certifications such as Green Star and Neighbours when we were based in Sydney, Australia for almost 2 years. We've worked on hyperscale data centres, being a more environmental based manager role where we worked for Facebook or Meta in Dublin, as well as Microsoft out in Holland near Amsterdam, a place called Hoorn. We work with sort of contractors, helping them upskill and develop their systems and processes, from as simple as one of our core service offerings is around environmental policy, carbon net zero, carbon footprinting. We've done a series of works for a few of the local Devon councils down here in Devon, focusing on providing carbon footprints, training up SMEs, and then providing them a decarbonisation hotspot report, which shows them where the most carbon heavy areas of their business are and how to strategically invest in their businesses through the use of grant funding over a short, medium and long term. So yeah, we've delivered a lot of different services. We can help with things from green marketing, branding awareness, pushing projects through life cycle analysis, securing of environmental product declarations or EPDs for businesses. We can do spot ISO 14001 aligned environmental management system audits. We can also help out with soil, air, and gas sampling. We've done that as part of our early career, attending sites that have potentially been remediated or require remediation in terms of contaminated lands. So that was sort of one of our early things, which we're quite well versed in. From assisting with elements of social value, we can also deliver that. We've worked for contractors and attended stakeholder management meetings and pacified the local area in terms of the impact that reducing the impact that the construction process has on the local residents. That was most notably delivered as part of our work on the Tottenham Hotspur's football stadium, where we submitted the Section 61 application for noise limits and working hours, and we maintained that 24/7 working period for a period of 18 months to a suitable standard that the council were happy for the works to continue, which met the Mission Impossible programme which the club had set, and is something that we're pretty happy and proud of. So that just gives you a bit better overview to our initial video on sustainability service offering. As I say, it's what we do, it's what we've done for over a decade. Please get in touch to see, no job too big or small. One of the recent jobs we've done for a small subcontractor was helping them with the environmental policy and their carbon footprinting, and that actually enabled them to get onto a procurement framework, and they actually won work out of it, which obviously benefited the business. So the small investment that we gave them allowed them to generate more income for their business. So that was a big win for them and also a big win for us. We like to be able to help smaller businesses win more work and sustain. It's difficult out there as a business, and we know that, and we can help tailor our service offering to your need. So I'm Darren Peck from Recravida, out.